big one, man. We're gonna go to the big boys. Ayan, mga obas yan. Ayan. Yung ginagawang alak. Yun na. Yeah. Nakita yung bilis. Nagulat ako.
Kaya rin nakashare.
Yeah.
Saan yung ba nakakita yan? Saan kayo nagtilit eh?
Hindi, sinabi siya ni ano to, tropa ko sa program.
Dami na park dyan.
Nandiyan yung water club yun.
Yeah. Anong araw to? Liguan at saka pwede kang mag-alakar. Trail.
Huwag ka mag-park dyan. Dahil mga bike nandyan. Pwede na uli nyo ngayon.
And we are here.
Wala ba dyan?
Almost. Yung nakitago nila yun like. Nakisuksok sa kasingit-singitan.
Baka may bulkan dyan. Lulundag kayo sa bulkan.
Bunga nga ba?
Takal pala.
Ayun, pwede boy. I see it.
Iyak na kasi Freddy Boy. Wala ka like dito. Hinahanap.
Kinakabahan na naman si Pretty Boy.
Baka bumalik pa tayo, layo yun.
Iyak na siya. Ano na palingon-lingon.
Nawawala na naman siya ng tiwala sa sarili niya, mga kababayan.
Yung ano, yung
Kanina pa naghahanap ng tubig.
yung driving mo pa.
Type kasi na type na kung ano yan.
We're here, see?
Ano? Del Valle Regional Park, State Recreation Area, Department of Water Records yan.
Mali yata yung piligay ko magbiyok.
Camping. Oh, may camping din pala dyan. Boat. Boat.
Yeah, pwede mo.
Where's the, hold on.
Beb, yung ano?
$5.
Wala kang cash. Wala sa kanya wallet. Credit card.
Wala. Dito kaya nga may boat eh.
Swimming, oh yeah, there's a swimming over there.
Diyan niya. Daily fishing permit.
This is not-
Fishing pang-
Please.
Nagtanong din yun.
Hello ma'am, good morning.
Good morning.
We're looking for a picnic picnic thing.
Okay, yeah, they're surrounded all around the lake. There's picnic areas on both sides of the lake, the east and the west side, so you're able to go wherever you'd like.
Oh.
Did you bring any boats to put in the lake? Kayaks, paddleboards?
No.
Are you doing any fishing?
Just swim.
Just swimming?
Barbecue.
Okay, you didn't bring anything that floats?
No.
Okay, so it's $5 today to get entered.
All of us?
Yeah, for the car, per car.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
thank you. I thought per dollar, five per person.
person, yeah.
I mean, he can buy, he can pay for it, and I'm not the one who's paying it.
That's right, because you're driving, huh?
Yeah, I'm just driving. I just get $20 over. No. Thank you guys. The swimming is near on the picnic ground.
Yeah, so the lake is right in the middle here, and then there's picnic here on both sides of the lake. You can go to whatever side you want.
Alright.
There's lots of animals all over. We got the deer running around. We got
Okay.
birds flying around. We got rabbits running around.
No bear, right?
Bear? No bear.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Cats though.
Oh,
Cats.
thank you.
Alright.
Alright.
Have a good day.
Bye bye. You too.
Mountain lion. Mountain
Anyway, sabi nga niya.
Dito na lang.
Oh, those
Ganda
are the
yung
people over there. Oo, lala. Hindi, meron dito, no? Saka sa dulo pa naman. Mali-mali.
Itama mo muna bago ko tawagan.
Wala nang signal eh. Pala
You
siya.
wanna row the boat? No? No need. Why you're not adventure?
Baga mo, sabihin mo, we're in ano, yung place na...
Tinatawagan ko, hindi mag-connect.
Really?
Yeah.
Where the
Dead.
signal? Mountain to eh.
Maghihirapan tayo magkita dito.
Sabigaw ka. Suga, buday! Buday! Ang ganda. Noni, can I get
Here.
my dog? No? Yeah. Daddy, I'm gonna get my dog.
Ayan, narito na tayo.
Alright, let's do it.
Let's go! No. Hi, good morning. Good morning. I got burned, man. Huh? Oh.
Pwede pala magpa-reserve dito.
Sabi ni Pretty Boy, hindi raw eh.
Anong hindi?
Tumawag pa siya kahapon. Hindi daw. Ano?
pwede. Naka-reserve yung ano.
Nakuha? Laro na lang ah. May ano naman, may shade. Ayan, yung view.
Maganda yung view dito.
Tawagan mo na sila, Pep. May number ka rin, Budoy.
Para saan ang coin?
Tatawag.
Umabot na ata eh.
Binabasa. Yan ang tayo sa Del Valle.
Dati dinonate mo kasi yung 10.
Ayan. Yung sila Marilag nagtatampisaw na sa ilog. Ha? Lawa pala. Ayan. Yan ang kabuuan. Meron pa sa kabila. Dito lang tayo kung saan natin natanaw. Mahangin. Wala tayong cooler, kaya tayo improvise. Handa na yun?
Walang upuan yung toilet.
Oh?
Yung papel.
Oh, wala.
Nadala ko yung binili ko. I got it. I bring it. I'm so smart. I'm so smart. I got it. If you wanna pee, you tell me, okay? I got my toilet thing.
What are you gonna cook?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah.
Barbecue chicken.
And steak.
Only one? Two? Okay, I'm gonna use the body.
That is it.
10:25.
Someone's go there. Does every table was reserved already? The entire area?
Yeah, this
No, the two only?
no, the entire one.
The entire one?
Yeah.
Hey boss, excuse me. I think someone reserved that area. Someone reserved that area already. Yeah, the entire table. Because of this one.
Noni, why are you sleeping? Noni, are you sleeping?
I couldn't sleep today on my weekend.
Sleep. And I wake up later. Daddy, yung mo na rin eh.
Ah?
Morning. Good morning. Morning. Nasaan ka tayo?
Ano, nahanap yung plate boy.
Magkisigaw ka diyan.
Come on. Okay na. Alright. Ang ating view. Terus darating. Alright. Mission. Oh, ang lakas ng hangin. Wait it. So we can eat.
Daddy, hindi naman pang food yung binili mo eh.
Kaol lang.
Ano ba yan? Wings?
Wings at saka Thai.
Noni, you need to have gobble.
Put gloves.
Because my eyes is burning.
Yeah.
Siguro man, umalim din nila. You say that it's like a barbecue. You do like a barbecue. Okay? Ang liit naman yan, Daddy. Dapat tinong naman yung matataba. Yung ano, Thai.
No, yung Thai hindi natin. The Thai is not gonna be skewer.
Oh,
Only the wings.
only the wings. Maturdos pa yung anak ko niyan, daddy ah. Ikaw tutundusin.
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Yogurt and the thing. What's call it? Turkish.
What?
Turkish marinade.
Is it spicy?
No, a little bit.
How many do I put? Or just like as much as I can? What?
Let me check it in the group.
Nakita na
They find it? Oh, Budo's coming, man. 7.
6, 7.
7, yeah.
6, 7.
7's fine.
6, 7.
Normal.
6, 7.
Oh my god, my eyes, baby!
Daddy,
What?
I thought you be careful with that.
See? That's Turkish, alright.
Antoinette, be careful with that shark.
No, it doesn't, not the big one, not the thigh part, just only the wings.
I can't see.
Just grab it, man.
Honey, if you don't wanna do it, just...
See?
I don't want to do this.
No.
Is it bonus?
Okay.
You wiggle it like that so you cannot poke your hands.
Antoinette, don't poke me, ha?
It's not pointing towards you, huh?
That
Yeah.
very, very scary what you're doing.
Why'd you have to choose like the biggest skewers possible?
I like it. It's so traditional.
In the medieval times?
Yung card daw, babe.
Huh?
Just wiggle it on.
Ura di ura mismo.
Wiggle it.
I'm not gonna bring a bone now.
You're not eating a bone. It's not properly. It's gonna fall, man.
How?
Look, just wiggle it. Hold it. Hold it. How many is that? 2 more. Perfect. Now that's a B.
Oh no.
One more.
Wait.
That's fine. You're not gonna get B, but
Oh, yes I am.
you do it sideways, man. When it's wing, should do it sideways. See? The other one. Ooh, Antoinette made one. It's a miraculous day. Ah, baby. It's a miraculous day.
Is this stuff? No.
Yeah. You don't need to sideways the skewer, it's already sideways. See? I told you, so you can find the meat too.
Right here or not?
Oh, the Buddha right there.
Where?
It's right there, all the way. Budoy and Buddha is here!
Could I technically stab myself with this, or is it too dull?
What to do?
This?
It's not that sharp or pointed too much. You're not gonna get hurt. Huh? You can. What is it? No retreat, no surrender. I think one more stick and you're done.
For the wings.
It better be.
Huh?
Tatlong piraso water bottle.
Um,
Ga. Baka uwi, nagmamadali pa siya. Oo, parang kakakutin siya. OA lang talaga siya.
Hey!
Napaka-OA. Hindi naman nagdala ng damit yung mga pamakit mo.
Paano sila maliligo?
Hindi ako pinagdala.
One more skewer, right?
One more?
I don't know.
I'm doing one more now.
Just the wings and the wings. Wings and the wings.
Noni, I'm here na ha. Baka naman tundusin mo.
What?
I'm here na.
Fair
You
enough.
know you. Oh my god, your jacket. Dude. Why is it not moving? No.
Up. Baba. Babe, pakibaba.
Alin?
Ibaba mo to.
Mainit yan.
At kaya may hawakan yan eh. Hindi mainit yan. Dalawang kamay. Why? They got scared. Hindi mainit yan.
Ah, mainit nga eh.
No. Yeah, that's good. What's up, Budoy? Why?
Got it. I got it. Budoy. Oh, it's hot.
Sa'yo mainit.
But it's just not really hot.
You want this one, Budoy? Yep.
You clean this one with something?
Yeah, ayaw. Linis ko na yan. Ayaw, how are you, Budoy? Give me a hug, man. Where's your dad? Give me a hug.
Is that a beef?
Yeah.
Did I just step in some?
Yeah.
That's mud.
It's a mound.
I thought my shoes were gonna get anywhere dirty.
That's Jordan?
No, Tim's.
Tim's? Huh?
I can't find like wings.
Just skewer them.
Yeah, just the wings and the...
We're gonna eat them anyway.
have
No.
What the gloves?
Brother?
onion.
Wala. Nilinis ko na yan. Pinunasan ko na yan. Tagal na kapoy na yan. Ayan.
We don't have gloves.
Meron. Brother. Budoy.
Bring it down. Want Julian and Vincent out here? Why did you come? I the position. Julian, the guys from the beach.
I got the beef too.
I'm done.
Done?
You're not a chef, bro.
You wanna skewer the thing too? You wanna skewer that? The thigh? Thigh, Budoy.
I'm good to Why you make
a mess
in your hand, bro? Look at this shit.
Hey, put it.
You got boo boo, man.
Put one more, two more here.
Go throw in a glove now.
Yeah.
Throw it.
Where?
The bathroom is over there, Tony. Why are they so separate, the wings? It's over there.
What's your jacket ang pamit?
You don't need it. That's a thigh,
Oh,
man.
yeah, over here, Tony.
Yeah.
I don't think there's any more wings in here. Yeah, rest are just thighs and stuff. Wait. Yeah.
Right.
Bring some a little bit of rice, though.
Yeah, no need the thigh. Remove the thigh. Because I already just the wings. No, that's good. That's good.
What, so I do I skewer the thigh?
Huh? Yeah.
Tapos pa, nagpila tayo dito ng marami, saka tayo nagbenta. Sell it like $20 per stick, bro.
No need to do that. The thigh is good. We're just gonna put it on the flat
Griffin.
grill. Yeah. Throw it.
Where's my Tupperware? The blue, the oh.
May laman.
Oh, there is that.
Mga ano pala yun, mga lifeguard. Kaya pala nagawangwang. Training. si Don Piyok. Ba't di mo pinagdala ng rabbit? Sila.
Ayaw nga nila.
Oh, eh.
I think
Parang nagdala. Yan. Para hindi tayo mahirapang magbalik-baliktar. Wigs yun.
nakutis ko nito.
Siraan na eh.
Tulong pa ba natin ilalim?
Siya pa.
Malakas ba? That's good. Wala kang ano ba?
Meron.
Ganda pala rito ah. What's it? Soy sauce or what? Ano ba to?
Ano yan? Chimichurri sauce. Mamaya yan para sa
The oil, the olive oil.
olive oil yan.
For the...
Sausawan mamaya yan.
Hey guys, you want some chips?
Ayan.
You want spicy? Ikaw ano mo nila comfort. Ano nga gagawin ko? Wala naman.
Okay, malapit na. Ayun ang mga lifeguard. Shout out to the lifeguard. Ay, there. right there.
Yeah, he's a YouTuber, so that's
Come by the station.
Hey, where's the charger though? Oh, did you use your charger already?
No, that's fine. Go ahead. Go ahead. I don't have the signal, man.
You know that you're going over here?
Yeah, I know. I charged it in the car, but the charger in the car sucks.
There's any chance that we can connect our Wi-Fi over here, bro?
We only have that wired Wi-Fi. We don't have the like the cloud one yet. It just means it only plugs in the computer, so you have to like plug into the computer. Yeah, versus like you know how like you connect all the phones, so it's just a one computer.
Thank you.
Oh, look at that kebab, bro. It's kebab yan. Huwag may abalo yung kebab yan.
YouTube.
$20 per steak, guys. Where you guys ready?
Jod nagrating na yung mga live guard.
Hindi, patigimin natin. Ay, iPhone ka na po. License. Saan sila nag-fishing?
Mangga. Man, what are you doing, man? That's dead already. You're bored, why don't you walk? Ito. Man, here, you cook here. Come here. You're bored, you cook for us, and then we just gonna eat. Just keep feeding us. There's a beef. You eat beef?
You really trust
Pero hindi nagkaka-wild pa rin doon.
Eh wala.
Ay, parang meron, no?
Hindi, binubumba nila ang tubig.
Bakit may tubig pala?
May narumoronda na
Tubig na yun, ah.
yung fire truck kanina na maliit meron.
Mangga, dalawa?
Dalawa. Ayun, napupuno na ang ating bulwagan. There's a lamang budoy right here. Try this one. Dip it. The mango.
I'm good.
Dip the mango, man. You eat kare-kare?
Yes.
That's the one.
Kaapin niya yung buri ng kayan.
You know. Buday. There's a lamang right there.
What is that?
Don't worry about that.